Hey there, let me show you 3 ways in which you can reverse a Python list. So let me start by defining a list. And there you have it. Now, there's 3 ways in which we can do this. The first way is by using indexing, or actually more precisely by using slicing. So in Python you can create slices of lists by using colons. For example, this gives me the first 3 elements of the slice. Now, the third arguments to the slice, or the third number I can put in here, so there's something in here, something in here, and something in here. This is the step, and it tells me by how many elements I want to skip every time I'm selecting something for my slice. And if I use negative numbers, I'm getting things from the back, and if I type in a -1, I'm going to go through the whole list, but from back to front. So the first way in which we can reverse a list is with slicing, and by using -1, reverse with slice. Now what does this do? It creates a copy of the list. So if I want to say, take my reversed list, this is going to be L sliced by -1. The list is here. Now if I modify the list, the reversed version stays the same, because the slice creates a copy. So this is the first way. Now the second way is by using the built-in reversed. So reversed is a built-in that takes iterables such as lists and reverses them. Now, if you just type reversed L, you do not get a list back. You get something that can be used to go over the list in reverse order. So for example, for value in reversed L, print the value. So this goes over the list in reverse. If you really need a list, you can do something like list reversed L. Now, one thing to pay attention to is if you get the reversed and you do not convert immediately to list, so you just assign the reversed. If now I change the original list, say I want the very first item to become 999, if you go over the reversed, this is what we have. If you go over the reversed, you will see the new changes to the list. And that's because the built-in reverse does not create a copy. It just creates you sort of a view over the list. So it gives you a way to go over the list in reverse order without using memory by duplicating everything in the list. So the second way, you can reverse a list with the built-in reversed. And the third way that we're going to take a look at is the list.reverse method. And this method, this doesn't return anything, but it reverses the list in place. Notice how the 999 now is at the back. And if I do this again, now it's at the front. And I can just keep doing this. So this reverses the list in place. Again, it does not create a copy. It doesn't give you a second list. It takes that specific list and flips it around in its place. So these are 3 ways in which you can reverse a Python list. I hope this was helpful.